The Sony TASA200WR is a wireless surround amplifier developed to complement compatible Sony home theater systems by powering rear surround speakers without requiring long speaker cables throughout the room. Its main purpose is to simplify installation while helping users achieve a cleaner and more organized entertainment setup. For households where routing speaker wires across floors or walls is inconvenient, the amplifier offers a practical alternative that maintains the intended surround sound experience. Its compact dimensions allow it to fit comfortably on a shelf, inside an entertainment cabinet, or near the rear speakers without occupying much space. The overall design reflects Sony's typical approach to home audio products, featuring a simple, understated appearance that blends well with a variety of home theater environments. In terms of performance, the TASA200WR is designed to provide stable and consistent wireless communication with compatible Sony receivers. During normal use, it delivers rear-channel audio that helps create a more immersive listening environment for movies, television shows, sports broadcasts, and selected music content. Dialogue remains focused through the primary speakers while ambient sounds, background effects, and directional audio are reproduced through the rear speakers, contributing to a more engaging surround sound experience. Although it is not intended to dramatically alter the overall sound signature of a home theater system, it fulfills its intended role by extending surround audio effectively and helping create a more spacious soundstage. One of the most appealing aspects of the amplifier is its ease of installation. Users who own compatible Sony equipment can typically complete the setup without needing extensive technical knowledge. Eliminating the need for long rear speaker cables can significantly improve the appearance of a living room or dedicated media space while reducing the possibility of tangled wires or trip hazards. Once properly connected and configured, the amplifier generally operates quietly in the background without requiring frequent adjustments, allowing users to focus on enjoying their entertainment rather than managing the equipment. The build quality is consistent with what many users expect from Sony home audio products. The chassis feels durable enough for everyday home use, and the controls are straightforward without unnecessary complexity. The unit is designed for reliability rather than flashy features, prioritizing dependable operation over advanced customization. Since it serves a specialized function within a compatible Sony ecosystem, its interface remains simple and easy to understand. Most users will only need to complete the initial setup before using it as part of their regular home theater system.